In this video, we're putting the Samsung S10 Plus out-of-the-box anti-reflective screen to the test and comparing it with the Spigen tempered glass screen protector. If you ever wondered how much a protector changes the look and usability of your device, stick around. Straight from the box, the S10 Plus comes with a factory anti-reflective coating. It's designed to cut down on glare and keep the display readable in all kinds of lighting. Right now you're looking at how it performs on its own, no protector, just original screen surface. Now here's a glimpse of Spigen tempered glass protector, and it's made for durability, scratch resistance, and to save your screen from impact. But adding an extra layer of glass can change how reflections behave, and that's exactly what we'll be testing next. We have two tablets to test, one with a screen protector and one with a bare screen. Let's start with an overhead view under direct lighting. On the factory-coated S10 Plus, glare is almost completely eliminated. You can read the display clearly without adjusting your angle. Now switch over to Spigen and the story changes. That overhead light bounces right back, creating a noticeable glare. Tilt the tablet just slightly and you can see that the tempered glass starts acting like a mirror, catching more of your surroundings than you might want. As we rotate the view on the devices and let the light sweep across, this is where the difference really pops. The factory anti-reflective coating handles reflection gracefully, while the Spigen protected screen scatters light across the surface, making certain angles far less usable outdoors. Now let's look at light and dark mode. Reflections are naturally more pronounced in dark mode, and that's true for both. But even then, the Spigen-equipped tablet stays usable in bright conditions. You'll just notice the reflections more often compared to the factory finish. For handwriting and drawing though, the playing field levels out completely. The S Pen feels identical on both surfaces, no lag, no misaligned strokes, which is good news for anyone using the S10 Plus for note-taking or digital art. And here's an unexpected twist: smudge resistance. The Spigen protector actually comes out ahead here. Its oleophobic coating does a better job of resisting fingerprints than the stock display, keeping things cleaner for longer. In the end, it really comes down to what matters to you most: protection or anti-reflectivity. The Spigen protector offers great physical defense and better smudge resistance, but it reflects more light. The bare S10 Plus screen keeps the glare lower, especially outdoors, but it's more vulnerable to scratches and drops. If you primarily use your S10 Plus indoors, the Spigen protector is a solid choice. You get durability without losing much usability, and better fingerprint resistance too. But if you spend a lot of time outdoors and want the clearest, least reflective screen possible, stick with the factory coating. Either way, knowing the trade-offs help you choose what works best for your own usage. Hey, if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like. It helps more people see it. And if you got your own experience with screen protectors and anti-reflective coatings, please drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.